Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on 3rd Koniago Engineering. Today we will continue course about Solidworks Machine Study. This course reference from this book. This video we will study about Mechanical Math Part 2. And if you like my machine, you can buy my machine concept in Lynk ID, link in description. Without wasting time, let's start it. Now we have 3 assembly. Let's try this one. Now go to Math, go to Mechanical Math. Now we will study about gear math. Active gear math. Now you have parameter. Just click this phase and this phase. In ratio, you just need ratio what do you want. In this case I choose 1 divided 1. And if you want to use 1 divided 2, you can change this ratio and click OK. Now you can make this mechanism. See? This math is used to make a gear mechanism like this. See? Click OK. Now go to under assembly. Let's choose this one. Now we have rack and pinion. See? Now go to math, go to mechanical math, delete this. Let active rack pinion. This math used to make rack mechanism like this. In rack parameter, click this edge, and pinion parameter, click this phase. Now make the ratio is 16. See? Now click OK. Now you can rotate the pinion like this. See? Maybe suppress this math, do like this. And unsuppress this math like this. See? Now you can make a rack and pinion mechanism. See? See? Now let's go to another assembly like this. And this is the last mechanical math. Active math. Before we use mechanical math, just do like this. Click this phase, click this sketch. Maybe before that, you must make sketch like this. This line is 30 and this line is 30. And the angle is 160 degree. See? Go to math again, click this phase and this sketch. OK. Click this phase and this sketch. Now do like this. Sorry. Choose concentric. Okay. Change to concentric like this. See? And now go to math, go to mechanical math, choose universal join math. This math is used to make a universal join mechanism like this. Click this phase for the parameter and this phase, and check define join point. Click this point and click OK. See? Now you rotate this part. This part will follow like this. Maybe you can do like this. And you can rotate like this. See? Now you make a universal join mechanism like this. I think this is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn through use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.